Longhorn Steakhouse in Columbus, Georgia.
Who that mysterious dark figure
And wow, I was not expecting Columbus to be. I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting Columbus to be. Why it was saying that Columbus was like Westfield, but it's like it's got everything. It's so much. There's so much stuff here.
so much bigger.
It's so much bigger than I thought it would be. And like we keep seeing stuff where it's like Wyatt saw this big giant outdoor store and he's like, oh, I want to go there, but he implied it was like, oh, I want to go there before we leave, and it's like, honey, we ain't leaving. We live here now. Say hi, guys. Heather.
Because Heather's gonna live in London.
Heather's gonna live in London.
Don't post this to anywhere, please.
Huh? What? Oh, hey! Didn't see you there. Hello. Welcome to the Airbnb. It is 10:03. We're in Columbus, Georgia. Now, let me tell you something about Columbus, Georgia. It's 30 minutes away from my house. I went to my house today. Looking fine as hell as always. You know when you think, oh man, no, it's been a while since I've seen this thing. I bet I built it up in my head. Not so. Excuse me. That was Brussels sprouts. I had Brussels sprouts. Ari shitting. This is Chaos Vlog number 8, I'm pretty sure. So today we did a lot. So we canceled our loan application with Better, which I have inserted a clip explaining why we stopped using that lender and whatever. But finally got that done. Finally got in touch, whatever, and we're just waiting for a call back. We'll see if we get one. But then we called and we are getting somebody coming out Friday to do an estimate about getting a new roof for a metal roof. I want to get a blue roof, like a sky blue roof. And then we're closing on Thursday. And yeah, I mean, like, that's it. Now we just gotta vibe. Also we called more about internet services because we are literally out in the middle of nowhere. So the vlogs were kind of a thing to do in between, because I had done streaming and everything like that. So depending on the call I get in the coming days about the internet is really going to determine whether or not streaming is going to be a viable option for me at my new home, or whether or not I'm just going to record and make pre-made videos and just post them to YouTube and to Twitch as well. I'm hoping that I get at least a good enough internet speed that I can stream drawing or offline games, but I do not think that playing online games like Overwatch or what's another online game that I play? Fortnite. I like playing anything like that and streaming at the same time. I don't think it's going to be viable, but there will be the opportunity to stream more live things. So watercolor paintings, oil paintings. I want to do more tutorials and that sort of thing. Not that I'm the master or anything like that, but there's a lot of things that I didn't know, and I think that they're not artist secrets or anything like that, but they're really small tips and tricks and things that you can do with all these different types of paint that if you don't need to go to college for. I went to college, let me go to college, let me do that, and then let me tell you what I learned at college that I didn't know just from experimenting with the paint itself. So that's what I plan on doing and making videos like that. I also plan on continuing with my character stuff. So right now, as of now, Cora, she is my original character that I created. She started us off like a little sketch that I did, and I just enjoyed her character design so much that I kept drawing her, and she kind of became this own character. No, thank you. I don't need a root beer right now. But so Cora is. I'm just gonna explain it here. So Cora is, in essence, she is a ghoul or a ghost or a demon, whatever you may call it. You can call her a succubus or anything like that. Essentially what she is the yandere archetype of a female character. And she has a very promiscuous style, a very lewd way of speaking and thinking and that sort of thing. And so the thought is that she is obsessed with you. She loves you, the viewer, the reader, or whoever, and she will do anything for you. And since she's not really alive and she's not really dead, so she alters her own body, because the original sketch, her head was like detached but like floating, kind of thing. Her hands were not attached to her body, so like she alters herself to become the perfect version that she thinks that you want. But she's also just a little bit crazy with implied murder and violence and that sort of thing. I'm still figuring out like the line with Cora, because I want her to be fun and I want people to be interested in her and enjoy, like, because I don't have like a really defined story. I think it's going to be really viewer based, like interactions, because she's kind of this, because she has her own Twitter. You can follow her at Cora Caring on Twitter. She has an OnlyFans for her things that I couldn't post like to Instagram. And because of the type of things that I would be posting for her, I've made her own little account. And so with Twitter and everything like that, her interactions is like, I kind of go into the mindset of Cora, and when I do the tweeting as Cora, I'm playing around and I'm still figuring out the line, because I don't want to scare anyone. I don't want anyone to think that this is real. This is all supposed to be for entertainment purposes only. So, and she's not real, but so yeah, so it's like I'm towing the line, because I want her to be kind of creepy a little bit, like, because she does come off creepy in these things. She calls you, the person that she's obsessed with, she calls you Dove. I don't know why. I can't figure that out. It's just something that just came up with, and I'm like, yep, that's it, Dove. Just because it's a unique thing, and so she's very complimentary of, like, so, and it's not just specified at one person. So like I've been going to and tweeting at random things, and because I don't want to scare people by saying something that's too far and like get like flagged or anything. I don't want to scare people. I don't want to be super creepy, but Cora as a character is kind of scary and kind of creepy. That's part of her thing. Like, she's a yandere. She is sweet and loving until she's not. But yeah, so check that out. I've also got a couple other characters that I want to do that for, but Cora is the most developed and most fleshed out. So I'm focusing on her right now, and I'm really enjoying that. Super duper fun. And I'm going to be making some videos. So I've been posting like just some still images of her, but I want to kind of bring those to life a little bit more. And I also have some planned videos with me voice acting, because I've been wanting to do voice acting for a while, and I know that I sound like ridiculous, but my voice is like given up, because the 10-hour car ride from Indiana down here to Georgia, I sang like the entire time, and I've destroyed my voice. But I've been wanting to do voice acting for a while, and I think I finally figured out exactly how I want Cora to sound and exactly how I want Cora to talk. So I'm writing out a couple scripts for a couple videos of her, which will be kind of these audio with images, slightly animated images that you can kind of follow along the story with that. So I'm very excited for that. I'm very excited to get started on that. It's just, just got to get into my house and get my stuff set up so I can actually get started on that. So yeah, but still doing Fiverr, still doing commissions and all that stuff. That stuff is still so fun. And I just wanted to start working on my own projects more, because I was getting to the point where the only time I was drawing was when I was drawing for someone else, which I really do enjoy, but there is that point where I needed to draw for myself as like a stress relief. Like, I took a break from drawing by drawing, if that makes sense. So, you gotta take a break from like social media by going to a different social media, if that makes sense. So that's that. I'll see y'all tomorrow or maybe the next day or whatever. I don't know. Bye.
Guys, so today is Tuesday, the something, I don't know anymore. The 1st. It's no Sim September, so, I've already lost. You've already lost.
What?
No Sim September.
What does that mean?
Can't simp during the month of September.
What is that?
Simp? You don't know what a simp is? Like, you know, I've been shouting simp for the past, like, month and a half. It's like a guy who, like, will do anything to get a girl's attention. Like a fuckboy, but, like, not cool. But, like, fuckboys aren't cool. But, like, I don't know, like, a simp is, like a white knight kind of dude. Like, you simp after a chick. You're thirsty for somebody, but you don't act on it really, you don't tell them your feelings, you just, I don't really know, like you just simp after somebody, you have a crush on somebody, but you're like pussy about it. You failed because you're a simp for me, and I'm a simp for you. But we tell each other, but like, I don't fucking, I've been yelling simp at people, not people, but like TV shows and like videos and things like that.
And you can't even explain what a simp is.
Explain. I'm sure that I could if I actually like looked it up. Like I know what it means in my heart. Okay, I know what it means in my heart.
Do you need to look it up?
No, it's like a dude. It's like a fuckboy guy. It's like you simp. Oh, simp. You're simping for somebody.
So really, they're making chivalry shameful.
Oh my god, fucking simp over here. Simp! Yeah, exactly.
That's really
That's
what
exactly
you're doing,
yeah.
is making chivalry shameful, and women wonder why no one ever chases after them anymore. So, yeah.
Oh my god. Alright, simp, but anyway.
Fuck off!
Be nice to me.
I'm always nice to you, but you know, the problem with everybody is going about making people ashamed of, you know, being nice to other people, and everybody wants to be nice to everyone, but it's shameful to do it.
Yeah. So like the whole thing is like, so there's like the difference between a fuckboy and a simp. So like a fuckboy is like, or like the white knight dude or a nice guy, that they're kind of fall in the same category, where it's like they will be nice to a girl. They're nice to a girl for the sole purpose, they want to have sex with the chick. They want the chick to pay attention to them. They want the chick to do stuff for them. And when the chick does not, like, immediately, like, if there's not a lip to sack connection instantaneously, they don't react well. You know, it was like an Onion article, or like I think it wasn't BuzzFeed. It's too funny for BuzzFeed. It was like an Onion article where it's like a nice guy wondering how long he has to be nice to women before they start having sex with him. You know what I mean? So for like fuckboys, they're only nice to women so that women will have sex with them. But like by an extension, you're only nice, like, whatever. A simp, on the other hand, is someone who is nice to a woman because she's a woman, you know. So like people get called a simp, these people who like really like streamers, and they send like hundreds of dollars to these streamers just to get like a minor like, oh, thank you so much for the donation, like a various like the thing like that. So they get called simps because they kind of are, they worship, or their I don't know, but like
you're literally making people feel bad for doing nice things.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's funny, and that's why I make fun of it. I say it ironically. I never call somebody a simp unironically. If I say simp, I literally just mean like I call you a simp because we're married, and you're married to me, and so you're a simp for me because we're married. Like, and I'm a simp for you because we're married to each other, and I'm nice to you. Like, you know what I mean? Like, and it's so
when
dumb.
Are you nice to me?
Wyatt, I'm nice to you sometimes. Wyatt! Ah! God, I hate when he turns left. I hate it. Why'd you slow down? What did you do? Okay, well, we got a call saying that there's termites in our house and they're gonna fix it. We don't have to pay for it, they sell it, but just praying for that. Got more calls about internet. It's just looking like we're not gonna have great internet one way or the other, but we're just gonna have to find the lesser of all the evils and go with that, because it's gonna be expensive, and it's gonna be like, well, do we get... Okay, well, we're back here we're at a second Airbnb. We move into our house on Friday at the latest, so fingers crossed with that. But we got everything else dealt with, so yeah. Now we're just chilling.
Like a villain.
No. Say
Hi.
bye. Say bye.
Oh, bye.
Yeah, I'm just giving you all a quick update really quick. So it is now 6:20 Wednesday, September 2nd. We are set to close. We have everything ready. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. We're in an Airbnb right now, but we'll be moving into our house. All of our stuff and everything is in the new house. So there is that. Wyatt's on the phone right now, fixing up our internet services. So that's going to get installed on Friday. So we'll have internet and be able to upload and hopefully be able to stream something. Hopefully at least be able to stream drawing. But if not, I have a lot of other stuff that I'd like to make, other videos that I'd like to make that I can pre-record, edit, and then upload singularly, and I don't have to have a great upload speed. So that's that. Also, yeah. So he's fixing that up. We've got our utilities, everything like that. We have a person coming on giving us an estimate for a new roof. They found termites, but that's getting fixed as well. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else that has come up. I don't think so. The closest Chase Bank to pay for the house was an hour away from Columbus, which is a half an hour away from where we live. So that's gonna be fun. Hopefully we can switch that up. But everything else is going pretty dandy.
The other closest Chase Bank should be over in Macon.
Oh, right, Macon, yeah. So
But that was the wrong direction,
So
because
we're in
it was
Columbus.
a half hour to the house and then an hour to that one.
Gotcha. Okay, so that makes more sense. Because we're like right in the middle between, well, we lean a little bit closer to Columbus, but we're like right in the middle between Columbus and Macon. Going down a dark hallway. Darkness. So, just walking around, trying to get some steps. So anxiety-wise, my anxiety has been much more manageable actually this past week, knock on wood, if I can find some. Hang on. Knock on wood. I have had my appetite, like I've actually been eating more than 800 calories a day. So there's this place down here that I didn't know existed called Cookout. We stopped by there once on the way down to Florida one time. They have such good food. It's so good at such a cheap price. And they have like, I don't know, I always get the BLT, super good. And they have these really good cheese bites as well. So I've been eating there. I've been drinking more. My appetite and my anxiety have been doing a lot better. I've been maintaining doing my medication better. The only thing is, I don't really have, hang on. I don't have a doctor down here yet, which sucks. I don't have a doctor down here yet, and I don't have health care down here yet either, which is scary, but I did get like a 3-month supply of my anxiety medicine and a 2-month supply of my like panic medicine, so I should be good for a little while. Hi, cat! There's a cat! Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, there's that. So that makes me nervous, but it doesn't make me panic or freak out because I'm just dealing with that. So my energy has been up. I've been able to eat more, and I'm really happy about that because it was getting to the point where I wasn't even able to help with boxes or anything. So I'm really excited to have energy and be able to eat so I can be able to cook and make meals in my new house. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow or another different day. This is probably going to be the end of this vlog, and then I'll start a new vlog moving into my new house. Our new house. Lily's going to be there too. Okay, bye.